Welcome back to our channel, the place where we dive deep into the world of Android customization and beyond. If you've ever wanted to personalize your phone even further by changing app icons and names, you're in the right spot. Today I'm going to show you how to just do that. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our tech tips and tricks. Changing app icons and names on your Android devices can really make your home screen stand out and give your phone a more personalized touch, whether it's for fun or functionality. Let's dive into how you can start customizing your apps today. Let's get started. First things first, you need to install a third-party launcher because the default one that comes with your phone might not support icon and name changes. So you can download apps like Nova Launcher, Apex, or ADW Launcher. Once you've installed Nova Launcher, set it as your default home screen. Don't worry, this is easily reversible if your device is not for you. Now for the fun part, changing app icons, long press on the home screen and tap on settings. Scroll down to look and feel and then tap on icon style. Here you can choose from a variety of icon themes. You can download more themes from the Google Play Store. Once you've selected your theme, apply it and voila, your icons will change to reflect your new theme. Changing your app's name is just as simple. Long press on the app you want to rename, tap edit and then tap on the app's name. Now you can type in whatever name you'd like. And that's it. You've successfully changed the app's name. Keep in mind the original app name will still appear in your app drawer and in search results. This change is purely for your home screen aesthetic.